Have you ever been made to feel as if you were a shadow, a footnote in someone else's life? That burning sensation in the back of your mind telling you that what you do will never matter to anyone? It is a pain without a voice that whispers into your ear. But what if I told you that there is nothing in this world you cannot change? What if I said that, as we speak, you can start to unveil the words of your story to prohibit anyone from making you feel as if you are no one? Dr. Joe Dispenza's message is more than just a word of encouragement. It is a challenge. This is your cue to stop borrowing your voice from other people's mouths and unique lives. 1. The silent sabotage. Do you remember the last time someone disrespected you? It could be an unpleasant joke, an indignant gesture, or simple inattention. How painful was it? And most importantly, why the hell did it hurt so much? This is how the first symptoms of sabotage that is silent set in. This is how you imagine. These thoughts form your reality, as Dr. Dispenza outlines for you. If you are worth nothing from the point of view of others, then you somehow agree with them. That is, you say to your subconscious, the perceptions of others deserve to be considered more accurate than those of our own. One way or another, this is how you become one loser. What do you do when you perceive your viewpoint as such? But there is a stumbling block. There is no way to allow oneself. The imagery of yourself as constrained is not genuine. They imprison you only in your head. 2. Reclaiming your power. So how do you break free? How do you stop them from treating you like you're nothing? It all starts with awareness. Dr. Dispenza constantly stresses the importance of being mindful of your thoughts and actions. Pay attention to how it makes you feel when someone disrespects you. Do you shrink back? Do you keep quiet? Or do you challenge it? The moment you realize your routine, you can change it. Then, you'll need to reprogram your mind. Your subconscious is programmed to believe that you are deserving of disrespect, but it need not be that way. You could start by practicing. Affirm your value. Remember every day that you love and value yourself. If it's vital to you, speak it out loud, but keep it in your mind. 3. The power of choice. Dr. Dispenza preaches that you are a creator of your own reality. And guess what? You are the one to decide how to react to others. If you want to go handle other people's negativity. If you do not, just let it go. I know how it sounds, but it is that easy. Just imagine next time someone takes a cheap shot at you and tries to speak to your weak spot. Understand it for what it is, a projection of his or her own insecurities. You do not need that. You do not need his or her words. If you wish to ignore it, do it. Rise above and keep your dignity. 4. Embracing the new you. The journey to self-respect is not easy. It takes courage, effort, and total confidence in your own self-worth. But once you take those first few steps, something extraordinary begins to happen. You change. However, your self-perception transforms. You no longer need validation from others. You've already discovered who you are, and no one else's opinion matters. Dr. Dispenza's ultimatum is simple. Stop allowing people to treat you as if you were nothing, because you are not nothing. You're everything. You're a limitless angel with the ability to achieve things you've just fantasized. The only requirement is to demand and accept it. You are worthy. Conclusion. When next time you think of a situation where you are being disrespected, remind yourself that you have the power to change the direction. You are not a victim. You are not a nobody. You are powerful, important, and worthy of respect. Dr. Joe Dispenza's words are a constant reminder that our reality is designed by our thoughts and beliefs. Please don't allow anyone to tell you who you are and how much you deserve. It is time to get the life you want. It is just one decision at a time. When you finally decide, you will no longer accept anything less than you deserve. You didn't come to be someone's appendix. You came to write the main character.